Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to make realistic water with waves. This technique is perfect for games, animations, or any 3D environment. Let's dive in. First we need to make 3D water plane in 3D modeling software. I'm using Maya, but you can use Blender or any 3D modeling tool. Add subdivisions to the plane. Select model and export selection. Now open Unity project. Make sure you are using Universal Render Pipeline. Let's make a pool with some 3D cubes. Cool, now import waves model to the project. Extract material for easier to test. If the model is too small, increase the scale factor number. Okay, we are ready to make the water shader. Create new unlit URP shader graph. Name it Waves Shader. Double-click to open. Create speed and strength property. Add logic to move waves follow sine curve along y direction. We need two more variables for color and normal texture. Connect base color to fragment color. Perfect. Save the shader and go back to the scene view. Right-click on the shader and create new shader material. Name it Water Material. Drag water material to the wave model. Select water material and update speed value to 1. And strength value to 1. We can observe the water begin to ripple and wave. Move the water to correct position. Awesome. Now let's make the water transparency. Set surface type to transparent. And set the alpha lower. Cool, the water looking more realistic. In the previous video, I demonstrated how to create reflection water. If you missed it, you can watch it later in the linked video at the end of this one. Now, let's copy the reflection shader part to this project. Change material type to lit. Remove the color node in the scene. Let's open the old water shader and copy their properties. Tweak the setting and assign normal map texture. Looking nice. Now let's add some 3D objects for reflection purposes. We're finished. Let's take a look at our final result. And that's it. Now you have realistic water with waves and Unity using shader graph and URP. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more game development tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.